Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pizza dough with instant yeast. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 3½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of lukewarm water, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Accurate measurement is key, especially for the water temperature, which should be between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, to activate the yeast perfectly. Now let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, instant yeast, and salt. Then, gradually pour in the lukewarm water and olive oil, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth, elastic, and springs back when gently poked. This step is crucial for developing the gluten structure. After all that kneading, it's time for the dough to rest and rise. Lightly oil a clean bowl, then place your dough inside, turning it once to ensure it's fully coated. This prevents it from sticking. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap or a damp kitchen towel. Find a warm spot in your kitchen and let it rise for 60 to 90 minutes or until it has beautifully doubled in size. Patience here yields a light, airy crust. Your dough has risen beautifully, and now it's time for the final steps before baking. Gently punch down the dough to release the air, then divide it into 1 or 2 portions, depending on your desired pizza size. On a lightly floured surface, shape each portion into your preferred crust thickness. Preheat your oven to a scorching 475 degrees Fahrenheit with a pizza stone or steel inside for that perfect crispy base.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.